Hey, how's it going? Joseph Gantert here, 30-year real estate entrepreneur, investor, developer, and realtor, and now author of the revised book, Find It, Fund It, Flip It, Blueprint. It's a 6 to 7 figure income book starting with no cash. And people ask me all the time, Joe, frequently asked questions, how long have you been doing this? Can I really buy a place with no money down? Can I really buy a place with no money in my pocket? Can I do it with no experience? And can I do it part-time? And the answer is 30 years, yes, 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 and yes. Inside this book, you'll find over 7 funding sources for no money down programs, over 14 sources of ways to buy property, find the treasures that I've always used, goal setting, and other things as well. Course study, case study as well. So click the link above or below, I don't know where it is, see what's in here for you. Buy a copy, download it today, you'll be glad you did. Hey, it's Joseph Gantert, author of Find It, Fund It, Flip It, Blueprint. And guess what? In my book, here's a check for $60,000 from an easy find, fix, flip project that you can get in my book. 7 sources for funding and 14 sources to find the treasures. Download it today, you'll be glad you did. What's all this insistence that all the deals are taken and that the only way to buy a property is from the MLS system? And that's not true. I just printed up a list of almost 200 properties that are available for you to look at and work on. From here on out, I'm going to be your real estate investing guru, coach, wingman. We'll see you on the next episode. Talk to you soon. Thanks for watching. Well, normally everybody likes a good flea market or antiquing, right? And here I am at the local over in Lambertville. And basically, just like people are treasure hunting for here, you can treasure hunt for real estate too. And in my new ebook download, you can get the top 14 sources I have that I've been using for 3 decades to get the goal and put you on the map. How's it going? Show you watching How's the Market. So today is investor day, bad hair day. But we are out looking at properties that you would find in my book. It shows you how to go about that. And I'm going to show you 2 other cases in a second. Okay, so here's another example of a property that you see the notices on there that is in my book that's available for you amongst the many sources that you can get long before it even gets to this stage. Check it out. About 30 days or less, you could be on your way. Click the link above or below. I'm not sure where it is, but anyway, let's talk soon. Get a copy today. I'd be glad you did.